Market segmentation analysis in Google Sheets using Mosaic plot, also known as Mekko chart. Introduction to Mosaic plot. Search for Mosaic plot. Then select it. Select the sheet holding your data. Select metric columns. Select dimension column. Click on the Create Chart button. Mosaic plot is successfully created. How to configure a chart. Mosaic plot data requirements. You need between 1 and 10 columns of numerical data to create a mosaic plot. You have the option to add a categorical data column. Numerical data definition: it is in the form of numbers and is numeric in nature. It can be counted or measured, and can be arranged in a logical order. Numerical data is also called quantitative data. Important: Mosaic plot will only accept data in columns as shown in the image on the right. Search for Mosaic plot. Then select it. Select the sheet holding your data from Sheet Name dropdown. Note: Header row checkbox is checked because data contains header row. Select metric Coca-Cola. Select metric PepsiCo. Select metric Procter & Gamble. Select metric Nestle. Select metric L'Oreal. You can set row range using the slider, or manually set value in start row and end row text boxes. Currently, we will select all rows. When all required selections have been made, the Create Chart button will become active. Click on the Create Chart button. Mosaic plot is created with 5 numerical data columns. Now we will add a categorical data column. This is an optional feature. Select Dimension region. Click on the Create Chart button. Chart is created with categorical data column. How to edit a chart. Click on the Edit Chart button. Click on the chart header pen to edit the properties. Then enter the header text. Click on the Apply button. Click on the Chart Label Properties pen to edit the properties. Click on the Label section. To show the number abbreviation in uppercase, slide the button to the right. You can append $ as a prefix to the numbers. Click on the Font Style section to change the font size. Click on the Apply All button. Click on the Legend Properties pen to edit the properties. Click on the Legend section to change the legend alignment. Click on the Apply button. Click on the Legend Properties pen to edit the properties. Click on the Box section to change the color of the box. Click on the Apply button. You can set the color of all boxes. Click on the Save button. How to export a chart. Click on the Export button to export chart in SVG, PNG, JPG, or PDF. The exported chart file will appear in the Downloads folder. How to add a chart to a sheet. Click on the Add Chart to Sheet button to add chart image in sheet. How to install ChartExpo add-on. Click on the Extensions menu. Install ChartExpo add-on. Enhance your charting experience with advanced charts. An add-on is software that adds new features into Google Sheets. How to install ChartExpo video is available in iCard, located in top right corner. Video link is also provided in the description below. Please click on More. Once the ChartExpo add-on is installed, it should display an Extensions menu. Click on the Charts, Graphs and Visualizations by ChartExpo. Click on Open submenu. Click on the Add New Chart button. Select a chart from ChartExpo chart list. We appreciate your business. Thank you. Please remember to subscribe to our channel.